Topic: The role of education in building a better society. Today, I stand before you to speak on a highly valuable and transformative topic: the role of education in building a better society. Education is not merely the process of reading books or passing examinations. It is the foundation of knowledge, character, and human development. Education shapes the thinking ability of individuals and helps them become responsible citizens. A society that values education moves toward progress, stability, and prosperity. One of the most important benefits of education is that it removes ignorance and spreads awareness. Educated people are better able to make informed decisions and understand their rights and responsibilities. This creates a more civilized, and organized society. Education also plays a significant role in economic development. Skilled and knowledgeable individuals contribute to industries, businesses, science, and technology. Countries with strong educational systems often experience faster growth and innovation. Therefore, education acts as a powerful catalyst for national progress. Moreover, education promotes equality and social justice. It provides opportunities for people from different backgrounds to improve their lives. A good education system can reduce poverty, unemployment, and discrimination. This creates a more inclusive and balanced society. Another important aspect of education is character building. Schools and colleges not only provide academic knowledge, but also teach discipline, honesty, and respect. Such values are essential for maintaining peace and harmony in society. Without moral education, intellectual growth alone becomes incomplete. Education also improves communication and critical thinking skills. It enables individuals to express ideas confidently and solve problems effectively. In today's competitive competitive world. These skills are extremely important for personal and professional success. However, despite its importance, many people around the world still lack access to quality education. Poverty, lack of infrastructure, and social inequality prevent millions of children from attending school. This creates a deeply concerning situation for global development.